Unit conversions can be a pretty tricky ACT math topic because it has so many words and is a little bit confusing. So we should break it down. A truck traveling at 35 miles per hour has a leaky radiator that's losing 4 fluid ounces per minute. If the radiator held 480 fluid ounces when it first began to leak, how many miles will the truck travel before the radiator is empty? So we want to get from 480 fluid ounces to 0. So let's look at the rate it is changing, because that is what's going to get it to become empty, right? So 4 fluid ounces per minute. But notice how this is in minute. This is an hour. So we have to convert this into hours. So 1 hour. And how do you do that? You multiply minutes by 60, because 1 minute times 60 equals to 1 hour, right? So this becomes 240. Now it had 480 fluid ounces when it first began to leak. And it's losing at a rate of 240 per hour. So we have to determine how many hours it takes in order for it to become 0. So 480 divided by 240. If you're confused on how that happens, 480 is the fluid ounces it takes, and 240 is the rate. Or you could say 240 per hour. You could just change this into here. And in order to find out how many hours, you have to divide the beginning amount by the rate, because this will get it to 0. So it will take 2 hours in order for it to get to 0. Now, we're not done yet, because as you can see, 2 hours is not in the answer choices. 2 hours, right? And it's leaking at 35 miles per hour. So 35 times 2 equals to 70, because once again, we're looking at the rate of how, this time is not how many times it leaks, but how fast the truck is actually going. So 35 times 2 is 70. And that is your answer, letter C.